Good morning, traders. So how do we trade the Aussie today? So what can I say about yesterday except so much for that? Yesterday I was pointing out that we had this channel that we're in, and I did highlight the fact that we could potentially move to the downside, and pretty much what happened, we gapped down and stayed down. There's nothing really to read into this, apart from if we go through the trades of the week, it's really been bouncing up and down. So inside bar, which we thought we had a bullish pattern, then we had the engulfing pattern, and then we had a bit of a drop. Now, this candle, we'll check on the lower time frames, but I think the data, my data here is incorrect. So, yeah, so you can see GT24 has got a candle up here, which is incorrect. So this daily candle is another red one. And what we can do is just move that to there, actually onto there, because that's the close. Just make sure. Yeah, okay, so there's the close. And let's just come back to the daily. So you'll see, oops, sorry, we'll get there now. I'll get rid of that one. Okay, so we come back to the daily, you'll see that that was the close, in other words, red with continuation. Okay. So let's start with the hour to see what we have to play with here. So the challenger we have right now is we are still consolidating. We are still sort of at the lower end of the consolidation. However, it's looking more and more likely that this level here of 45,770 area is the one that we need to watch out for. Okay, so this here we can get rid of. Now, to me, this is still a consolidation. Okay, now, well, the thing that is bugging me though is we're potentially going to close below this 200 moving average. So the weekly is already down here. The next level is going to be around there. So you can see we have an inside tail there. We've got some tails here. We've got some of these tails here. So there's a significant level down here at 44,976, and you probably find that you want to just round that off to 4,500. Okay, so the 4,500 is pretty much the next level to watch for. And again, same as yesterday, I'm probably still going to stay out of this. There's nothing here that's really filling me with much conviction that anything's over. Okay, we had a breakout of that trend line. We had a breakout. If I move that trend line, we've had a breakout of this trend line. So this could be the trend that we need to watch, that we're going to come and test this break for another move up. Or alternatively, this is just going to continue to the downside. So either way, there's nothing really concrete for me again. So I'll probably just sit on the side and wait. It's kind of a difficult one. So just to run through what yesterday was. Yesterday we were looking, I said to you, if we sort of formed a base down at the bottom of this channel, it was a good area to be long, but we gapped below it. Okay, and we rallied up, and then we gapped, then we ran down, and up and down, up and down. So, pretty much same the data, up and down, up and down, up and down. That's pretty much what the daily is doing at the moment. So you're seeing that on the 1 hour right now, and the 4 hour, difficult one to call. I think the one thing that does bug me on this 4 hour as well is the fact that we have broken below the swing low. So, this could potentially be a double top. There it is there. There's the bottom, and we have broken and closed and tested this level. So I suspect more downside, and there is a potential for us to move fairly close to this bottom level. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting downside. First level to watch is going to be around 45 680 and then around 4500. But again, you're going to have to wait for price action, and I would wait for price action on the half hour at least to indicate that we have a change in direction. And what I mean by that, you can see here, double bottom, inside bar, green bar. That's at a bullish pattern, an opportunity to get long, and you had a 2-day run on that. This one here as well was pretty much breaking through the trend line here. So what we're looking for is some kind of bullish price action, and there is nothing at the moment. Okay, so yeah, that's me for the Aussie today. More than likely going to sit on my hands, not even bothered with this. So I will pay attention. I think I'll just put some alerts in for 45 680 and 4500. Have a look to see what happens in those areas, because we are pretty much bottom of range, and I am expecting some sort of bounce coming soon. Okay, that's it for the Aussie. Probably doesn't help anybody, but yeah, just pay attention to these fractional levels, okay? So take them off for 30 minutes, there's your fractional level. And then the low of yesterday is another fractional level. So there's a fractional level, there's a fractional level. Break either way is going to give you a direction. But also bear in mind that we have broken the previous fractional, which was this one. Okay, we've broken it. So there is a potential that this is still moving down, or we could just go sideways. There's just really nothing here that's convincing me of a move either way. So I'm sitting in my hands, and that's my play for the day. Anyway, probably doesn't help you, but rather safe than sorry. And enjoy your day. I'll catch up later. Cheers for now.